If your sink is draining super slow after you just installed a new garbage disposal, you gotta check how it's set up and if everything's lined up right. So, here's the deal. First, make sure the disposal is mounted correctly. Sometimes it's just not seated properly, and that messes with the flow. Next, check if anything is stuck inside the disposal or the drain pipe, like food bits or packaging stuff that slipped in during install. Also, look at the drain pipes under the sink. If they're kinked or clogged, water won't flow smoothly. Don't forget the dishwasher connection hose if you have one. Sometimes it gets blocked or isn't hooked up right. Try running cold water for a good 30 seconds before and after using the disposal to help clear debris. If the sink still drains slow, use a plunger on the drain, not the disposal hole, to try and push out clogs. Lastly, if you're not sure about your plumbing skills, calling a pro might save you a headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garbage disposal installation causing slow sink drainage is not properly aligning the unit with the drain pipes, leading to blockages and poor flow. Fix this by double-checking the mounting ring and pipe connections. Another common issue is forgetting to remove the plastic stopper inside the disposal when installing it, which totally stops water from draining. Just pull that stopper out before turning it on. The third problem is ignoring trapped food scraps or debris inside the disposal chamber or pipes, which cause clogs. Regularly running cold water while grinding and occasionally clearing out stuck bits can prevent this. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, for contractors looking to get more gigs, BigHomeProjects.com helps you find real customers ready to start their projects right now.